Another day, another chance to discuss with you all about everything that needs to be discussed. So let's get to it and let's go. ArrayList because the rest are lists, so they are this interfaces and those are synchronized. Because variables do not have set to stone values, so we're the ones that add those values. So yeah, the stack, because the stack data structure, last in, first out, is pretty much the most orderly one that we can use. Whereas linked list, I mean, it's very unorthodox long queue linked lists. Because it's probably the most simple. Index, because it has everything to do with index and an array list. Because in array, as we mentioned already, you need to mention it again in array index out of conception. So you peek for it, peeking, you know, so it's peek. Because pop is when you remove, top is when you reference something at the top, then gets when you retrieve, but you're removing it at the same time. So it's gonna be peek. Mhm. And it's linked lists because it linked all together. Linked list again. Yeah, you have just so another day, another chance. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care and have a great night. Good night to you all. Have a blessed night. Don't forget this. Don't forget this tool.